Welcome to the land of Sol Vida. Sol is the sun and Vida is life. I am Ashe and I am here to bring the light and teach you the choreography for the One Soul Dance Festival virtual flash mob. We're here to shift normalcy. We're here to push past our personal limitations and get free. Yes, indeed. All right, so we're just gonna get right into it. I'm breaking it down. You can catch a fuller length version in our Facebook group, the Sol Vida Movement. So here we go. First 4/8 counts is all about you attuning to your body and releasing whatever you need to. There's 4/8 counts. Think of this as ecstatic dance with consciousness and embodiment, that you are grounded and that you are doing what your body wants to do. Okay? 5, 6, 4, 8 counts. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4. We're getting free. 6, 7, 8, and a 4. 2, 3, 4. Take a 1. 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Next move, second parallel modern dance position. We are contracting from the back. We're using our pelvic floor to contract and arch, okay? So in real time, the movement that we're gonna do looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross and offer. Offer yourself up, okay? Down, 2, 3, 4, bounce. 6, 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I love you, universe. Cool. So we got our first two things down. Then we're coming through with our hardcore warrior, busting stuff out that we don't need in our lives, okay? Telling the people we ain't messing around and we own this power in our bodies, okay? All right, fists, right hand. And you can let whatever needs to happen, happen. I want you to make these moves yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a revolution. 7, 8, and a 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, both arms, 2, 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, it's all happening. 6, 7, 8, push it out. 2, 3, 4, yes, indeed. Huh. Word life. Okay, so after we push it out, you're gonna open up your palms and you're gonna cup your torso, okay? I like to think of this as like really cultivating and generating our personal power from the inside. So what does that mean to charge yourself up, okay? And get a little in it, okay? 2 8 counts. Here it goes like this. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes. 2, 2, 3, 4. Then we take it down to the hips, pelvic floors, scooping, bada, da, feel it, gotta, da, ha. One more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. All right. We're gonna take it around in a circle because life is about circles, right? Going around, we are here to connect. So thinking of yourself like in the forest, which I am, we got 1, 2, stomp it out. 5, 6, push it out. Other side, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and push it out again. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da da da. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, yes. One more official move, okay? We got this little hook, a little scoop, dig-a-doop, okay? Ba-ga-da. Now we're just gonna toss it with our hands, ba-ba-da, and you can lean into it. and then take it in a circle to your right for 8 counts. You ready? Stepping right. 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha! Okay, warrior styles. The revolution will not be televised, as Gil Scott Heron told us, and we are here to embody that. To be like, you know what? The revolution is here. It's in nature. It's on the streets. It's within. It's within. Okay. The last 4 8 counts of the choreography is just how we started. And by the time we get to the end, I want you to feel extra liberated. Okay? It's gonna be getting a little extra free. So 4 8 counts of extra freedom. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't know what needs to come out. And a 2, 2, 3, 4. There's no wrong, no right. Ha, ha, ha. Just do it. Ha. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 4, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Ba, ba, ba. Ha. Ashe, ashe, ashe. So there you have it, y'all. That is the choreography for the One Soul Dance Festival virtual flash mob. I'm gonna do it all the way through so that you can just follow through. And again, share this with as many people as you can. Get it in your body, use it as a warm-up, use it as a personal practice to connect you back to source, back to the earth, back to your purest expressions, because this is what we are here for, is to give you that permission to express yourselves boldly and audaciously as the person you was meant to be. Okay, 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 okay. All right, let's ground in, take a deep breath. We're gonna do this whole thing from the ticky top. Embodied and breath, connected to ourselves, connected to the earth, connected to this present moment, connected to each other, knowing that we are doing this together. There are people learning this dance from all across the globe. So let us be one soul. Let us be a greater vision of humanity. Let us be the best versions of ourselves. Let us be selfless and in service. Let's share our gifts. And let's dance like we mean it. Okay. 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 From the top. 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you. Yes. 4, 2, 3, 4. Choreography's coming in and down. 2, 3, 4, and up. Cross, hop, down. 2, 3, 4, up and up. Yeah, ha, 3. Da dee da da. Ha, ha, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is. And 1, 2. You can put your foot in there. Yes, you can. 2, 2. Ha, ha, ha. Both, and we breathe. Ha, ha, and 2. Ha, ha. Here it is, and got 2. Ha, ha. 1 more, 8. 5, 6. To the pelvis, got. Giga-da. Feel the goodness, and the bomb booty shaking. Ain't no mistaking. Around 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ba ba yeah. Dee da ba ba yeah. Dee da ba yeah. Dee da ba ba. What? Say what? Digga-da, 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 digga-da. Ha! Ah! 4 8 counts. 7 8 2 3 4 6 7 8 and 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 4 3 4 7 8. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Giving thanks for this dance. Giving thanks for you. Giving thanks for this ability to be in unity no matter where we are. One soul, one love.
Show me the way. Show me the way. I like this my way. Show me